Hello Internet. I have recently been getting into frame of motion, and in this video I'll be making this cool hover animation on a button. My tutorials are a little different because I do all the programming on the fly with no script. I run into problems as I go and explain my thought process to solve them, hopefully helping you learn from my mistakes. Enjoy the video and see you inside the IDE. Let's get started. To start, I've got a button component and then the content of the button. This div is just to apply the font. This is what we've got right now. An icon from Hero Icons. If you want to know more about that, I'll put it in the description. And pretty much that's it. We've got a book now, just static text, and then styling tags on each of the divs because I know that I'm probably going to have to access those. So then in the styling, all I've got is the icon, which just sets the height of that to 16 by 16. The effect I'm going for is like, there'll be a book now that lifts up and underneath there's like a marquee effect. I know that I'm going to need multiple of these. That's why I made a component so that it can like repeat across and move across. First off, I guess I'll style this. This will be display flex. I mean, I'm still learning as well. So if I do anything weird, I would appreciate comments to help me get better, I guess. See, like, I think it's a line item center. What I did there was just display flex, line item center, and added a gap so that it just looks a bit better. I think I'll add a background color of like blue for now, just so we can see. Padding, I think it's like block. No, so that's the wrong one. Padding, it must be inline. Oops. Border radius, let's go 24. Oh, what am I doing? I can go 4 pixels, 12 pixels, maybe 2. Yeah, I think that shape looks good. I think I want a lighter blue. I want the color as white as well. Yeah, I like that. I think I want to make this 4. Yeah, I think it looks better. Okay, I like that. I think also I want an outline of 1 pixel solid. Yeah, I want it black because I want it like inside and then it lifts up and reveals what's underneath. I'm going to add another div. Call this Go Button Container. Oh, what? Yeah, I think I need one more div because this is the entire button. This is the top layer. The top layer. I think that's good. This is what I will animate first. So this one's going to be the one that animates. So, oh my lord. What is that? Okay, there we go. Import motion. Oh man. Motion from frame motion. Perfect. Yeah, again, if you see anything I'm doing that's weird, it would be awesome if you could write it in the comments, help me get better. I do develop for a living, but I don't do web development. I know what I'm doing, but I don't 100% know, and I want to get better. Anyway, moving on. So I've got a motion div. So motion divs, you can add like, yeah, motion to them. Okay, so what was I doing? Lifting up on hover. I'll have a is hover, set is hover, set it to false to start. So we've got this state, which will tell us if we're hovering or if we're not. And because all the animation's inside the container, we will actually apply it to this one, the entire div. This is like set, what's it called? On hover start, that's it. We will, I think it's e set is hover to true. And then we've got on hover end, we'll set it to false. Because then it's the entire container will set to like set the state to is hover and all the motion can happen inside linked to this state. On hover, it's triggering all hover cursor pointer. What in the button? Oh no, what have I done? Oh no, what's happening? Okay, that's kind of unfair. So I just had to restart Chrome. Animate, go up. Animate is a frame of motion thing on the motion div. Why? Animate on is hover. Go -40, 0. So what this is doing, on hover, it sets Y to -40, which is up. When you stop hovering, it sets to 0. So let's see. It does the whole thing. What? Oh my, what am I doing? All that will be on the container. Because yeah, 20's closer, like 22. Now when you hover, it moves up. I want the background to move up, not that. Add it to the top layer. A color. I'll have to set the width to 100. Ooh, whoa. And height to 102. That should be good. Oh no, because I need to set it to 106 and 28. 106, 28 pixels. Okay, why I need... Oh, is it because it's padding? Maybe it needs to be margin. Yeah, do I need to set those then? Yeah, I do. I think I want overflow clip. I want display flex, justify content, center, align item, center. So that'll put it in the middle. No, my. Oh, no, it's this one. If you're not following what I just did, well, you're probably following. I've set the outer button container to like a set dimension so that then I can fill it with the color that I want for the top layer. So that'll scroll up like that. So I need to move it up a little bit more. Oh, and it also bounces. I don't want that. That is another transition. Ease, linear. That'll like stop all that bouncing. Yeah, maybe 30. Wait, I set the height to 28, didn't I? So it should be 28. So 28 will move it just above and then it'll come down. And then it'll unveil what I'm hoping will be like a marquee where it's like book now, book now, book now. Motion div. This is the marquee. I'll give this a class name of marquee. 3 of these. Be interesting to see if I can do it. Let's style the marquee. Background color, something like that. Where is it? Oh. This button container needs to be position relative because that's going to be the reference for the others. And then these, the top layer will be position absolute because it'll be in reference to the top. And that shouldn't do nothing. But see, underneath. I also want this as display flex because I want them like side by side. Yeah, but that's no good. We'll add text wrap. No wrap. I think that will do it. I think I want a bit more space between these. Yeah, 8 pixels. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, but now I want to center it. Wait, why do I want to center it? I don't think that's relevant because it's always going to be just like moving underneath. So lifts up, shows that. I'm almost there. I think I just got to move it now, right? That seems really easy. P1 and animate. I think this one will be even easier because there's no hover. It's always going to be moving underneath. Maybe that's not good, but that's what I'm going to do. Animate. Oh, it'll be the X. Let's say, oh, I don't even know. What's the width of this? Okay, inspect that. 81.86 and 8 between. 89.86. 89.86. Is there a repeat? Okay, repeat for infinity. Oh no, maybe it's in transition. Yeah, there it is. Okay, that's disgusting. Oh my God, let's slow it down. So you set the duration, I'll set it to 2 seconds. Yeah, that's better. So now it's doing that. I want it to like look like it's like going forever. What am I gonna do? Maybe I do center it. Interesting. There should be no width. How do I get the background though? I don't want that left. So ugly. I need the ease as well. Okay, I think that would be slightly better. So why? That's looking pretty smooth though. I just don't know why the background. Oh, so it's not the background of this. It's the background of the button container in here. Oh. So it'll lift up and be what I want it. I just have to fix the Z. The top layer will have a Z index of 1. I think this will work. That is the button. Hover and we get this. Built with frame of motion by me. If you want to replicate this, you can follow this and hopefully explained everything enough and you'd be able to change the colors or whatever, the words. But I think it looks pretty cool. This was what I had in mind. I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, give me feedback as well. All right, bye.